Today's video is all about learning how to transform any picture into a stunning digital character, step by step. Procreate allows you to set your picture as private so it doesn't show up in the time-lapse video. Feel free to select any picture of your choice. Now we will set the picture on the canvas and you can resize or position it as needed. Now you can see that the image is now marked as private. Let's keep the picture layer underneath everything so we can sketch easily on top. Now we will lower the opacity of the picture layer to around 55%. Now we will select the studio pen from the inking section. Next, go to the pressure and smoothing settings and adjust the stabilization to about 65%. Now let's begin the sketching process. Here you can see how smoothly we will be drawing the lines. Now let's turn on the reference setting for our sketch layer. This will help us later while coloring. Next, we will use that same picture as a reference to study the colors and fine details. Now let's start filling the base colors using drag and drop. It's very quick and easy. Now I'll choose the medium nozzle brush from the spray paint section to add the brush. Next we will begin designing and adding details to the dress while using the reference image for guidance. Now we will duplicate the design pattern we have created and apply it across the entire dress. Next, we will add a few final details to enhance the dress. Now we will add some detailings to the hair. I have already explained the method of adding facial details in my previous video. I'll mention the link. Feel free to check it out there. If you would like me to make a detailed video on how I draw facial features, do let me know in comments. The dress detailing is now complete. If you have any art related questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll definitely reply to your questions. That's it for today's video. I really hope you learned something new. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. And yes, I am always here the comment if you want to chat about art. Thank you for watching.